Developing an art style is a journey. It begins with the basics like observational drawing. This is where we learn to truly see the world around us, forms, proportions, and how light plays on surfaces. Then comes the key, drawing frequently. It's simple yet profound. The more we draw, the more our unique style starts to surface. It's about letting our hands and eyes work together, discovering our natural inclinations. Developing an art style is about dedication, consistent practice, and evolving through each stroke of the pencil. This is how we find and refine our artistic voice. Like I said, observational drawing is where it starts. We look at things, really look at them, a tree, a face, a shadow on the wall. We learn to capture what we see. It's more than just copying. It's understanding the essence of our subjects, proportions, perspectives, the way the light falls. It's rigorous. It demands attention and patience, but it's worth it. Through this, we lay the groundwork for our style. We start to see the world not just as it is, but as we interpret it. Then it's about drawing over and over. It's not just practice, it's a ritual. We draw everything. The mundane becomes extraordinary under our pencil. We explore different subjects, different styles. It's about quantity, yes, but also about quality. Each line, each shade teaches us something new. We make mistakes, plenty of them. But that's how we learn. We begin to see patterns in our work. Preferences emerge, techniques evolve. Our style starts to take shape, subtly at first. Drawing becomes a part of us. We carry a sketchbook, snatch moments to draw in cafes, parks, on the train. Each sketch, each stroke brings us closer to our unique style. It's a slow process, evolving naturally. It's not forced. It's as much about discovering ourselves as it is about mastering the art. We start to recognize our voice, our signature style. It's a gradual unveiling, a journey that never truly ends. As we keep drawing, our style begins to whisper to us. It's in the lines we prefer, the subjects that hold our gaze. We start leaning into our natural inclinations. It's subtle at first, a preference for curves over straight lines, or shadows over highlights. Our style isn't static, it's alive. It's changing as we explore. We try new mediums, charcoal, ink, digital. Each brings out a different side of us. Experimentation is our guide. We learn from the masters, but we don't imitate. We absorb their essence and let it mix with our own. It's like cooking, a bit of this, a touch of that, making something uniquely yours. We find inspiration everywhere, in art, in nature, in the streets. We blend these influences into our work. Our style becomes a collage of our experiences, our tastes, our skills. There's a rhythm to our work now. We draw not just to see, but to express. Our style becomes our signature, recognizable in a stroke, a shade, a composition. It's a journey with no destination. Our styles evolve as we do, shaped by our experiences, our emotions, our growth. We never stop learning, never stop evolving. That's the beauty of it. Our art is a reflection of our journey, unique and ever-changing. Our style, once emerging, craves growth. It's about more than just drawing. It's about reflection, understanding what works and what doesn't. We look back at our older works. Some pieces make us proud. Others show our naivety. It's all part of the process. We learn from our past, but we don't dwell on it. Feedback becomes a crucial tool. We seek it out from peers, mentors, even strangers. It's not always easy to hear, but it's necessary. We take what's useful, leave what's not. Each piece of advice, each critique, a chance to refine our style. We learn to filter feedback through our own understanding, aligning it with our artistic vision. Adapting is key. Our style today might not be our style tomorrow. We change, our perspectives shift. What fascinated us once might no longer resonate. We embrace these changes. They're not setbacks, they're natural progressions. Our art grows with us, reflects our journey. It's a cycle of creation, reflection, and evolution. We're not just developing our style, we're developing ourselves as artists. Our style is a living, breathing entity, ever evolving as we journey through our artistic path. Now, in this video, we've talked about the journey of developing an art style. It starts with the basics of observational drawing. We learn to see the world, to understand its forms and lights. Then, through relentless practice, our style begins to emerge. It's a natural process, shaped by our unique perspectives and experiences. We discover our style by embracing our inclinations, experimenting with different mediums, and learning from the world around us. Feedback and self-reflection guide us, helping refine and evolve our style. It's a journey that doesn't end. Our style grows and changes as we do. It's a reflection of who we are, a testament to our dedication and growth. As artists, our journey is never complete. We keep learning, evolving, and expressing ourselves. Our art style is our voice in this vast visual world. It's unique, ever-changing, and deeply personal. So we keep drawing, keep exploring, and let our art speak the language of our soul. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.